Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this channel, we give out tutorials and data analysis in a simple and very practical way. I also give out tutorials in data analysis, Excel, Power BI, and so on. So if you're interested in this kind of things, then subscribe to this channel. With that being said, let's begin. So guys, in today's video, we're going to talk about when to use Excel or Power BI. We've been wondering which situation should I use Excel or Power BI, which data set am I supposed to use Excel or Power BI to analyze. If you've been wondering and you would like to know about that, then stay tuned to the end of this video. And before you move on, please like and subscribe to this channel. So the first thing we are going to talk about is Excel. Before we go ahead, let's talk about overview of Excel and Power BI. So Excel and Power BI is a Microsoft tool. That means that Microsoft are the ones that produced Excel and Power BI, but they serve different purposes. So Excel is like the one in all tools or the one in all application. You can use Excel for data organization, for great formulas, and for analysis. Power BI, on the other hand, is like a high-power tool designed for data visualization, handling large data set, and for automation. Now, let's dive into Excel and Power BI so that you can know when to use Excel and when to use Power BI. So we'll begin with Excel. So when should you use Excel? Let's say whenever you use Excel, whenever you're working with a small data set, and maybe when you're working with some kind of project, let me say sales report, when you want to do something like sales report, you make use of Excel. So Excel is very good for this kind of report or this kind of analysis, because Excel is good for formulas and the filter function there, you can use it, and also the pivot table also you can use it. So these are the things, this is one of the situation or one of the projects you can use Excel to do. So whenever you're working with a small data set, you can use Excel, or whenever you're doing something like a sales report, you can use Excel, because Excel has the functionalities to give you a good analysis for something like sales report. Another situation where you can make use of Excel is when you want to perform data entry organization. So whenever you want to manually enter your data, Excel is a perfect tool for that. So you want to manually enter your data, you want to clean your data, Excel gives you charge, gives you charge over your table, over the cells, so you can manipulate the tables and the cell anyhow you want to clean your data. So Excel is an efficient data cleaning tool. So when you want to do any kind of data cleaning, Excel is the right tool for you. Or organization, let me say you want to input transaction history, Excel is the right tool for you. You can use it to input your transaction history. Let's say you want to perform monthly expenses, you want to input your monthly expenses, Excel is the right tool for you. You can use Excel will help you to organize the transaction, and also you can be able to categorize them effectively. So things like that, Excel is good for it. The next is whenever you want to do financial or statistical analysis, Excel is used in the finance field to forecast, to budget, and also to perform financial modeling. Like a company using a historical data to estimate next year's revenue. Excel formula and pivot table makes it easy to analyze trends. So you can use Excel to analyze what financial data and statistics. So the next situation where you can make use of Excel is when you want to perform quick reports and financial analysis. Now let's move into Power BI. When are you supposed to use Power BI for analysis? The first is whenever you're working with a large data set. So whenever you're working with a data set that's up to 1 million or 1 million plus, Excel will definitely drag it down, or Excel will definitely hang or reduces its speed of operation if you import a large data set in Excel. So whenever you're working with a large data set, like maybe say from like 10,000 upwards or more, right? You can use Power BI. Power BI is good for analyzing large data sets. So maybe you're working with a marketing data set or e-commerce data set, Power BI is the go-to app for that. Another situation where you can make use of Power BI is when you want a beautiful dashboard or interactive dashboard. Power BI is a tool for creating wonderful dashboards. So Power BI, you can easily automate your dashboard or make your dashboard very interactive, right? In Power BI, you have the opportunity, or there are functions in Power BI where you can make your dashboard interactive, and where you can make it very beautiful, and where you can make it easy to communicate any complex ideas that you have. So Power BI is very good for dashboard creation. So whenever you want to create a good dashboard, you just don't want to do a quick dashboard like sales report that you can use Excel for, to just make a quick dashboard. Whenever you want to do a good dashboard, interactive dashboard, then you use Power BI for it. Another thing, another situation where you can use Power BI is when you want to automate your data. So Power BI gives you the opportunity to automatically refresh your data. So you can automatically update your data using Power BI. That means if you input a data and connect the web, it can automatically update anytime the data is being updated. It can update on its own. But in Excel, you have to manually update your data in Excel. So whenever you want to update your data, you want it to automatically update, then you can make use of Power BI. So guys, I hope in this short video, I hope I've been able to help you guys understand when you have to use Excel or Power BI, because when I started in this field, I was very confused. When should I use Excel? When should I use Power BI? I didn't know the same thing. Don't they give us the same results? But guys, they are definitely not the same. They don't give exactly the same results. When you want a quick result, a quick report, a quick dashboard, a quick analysis, a good cleaning, data clean. If you want to clean your data very well, you should make use of Excel. Then when you want to do more interactive dashboard, you want to do some automation, you have a large data set, you can use Power BI. A large data set can make your Excel hang, like it won't work anymore. It will just hang for some time, right? So, but Power BI can take in large data set. So guys, I hope I've been able to help you know when to make the right choice. Okay guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.